Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, today I'm showing you a six-seater set, 2211, and this one is going to Coimbatore. I'm sure this design you may have come across several times whenever you look at sofa online. If you are thinking to buy an online sofa and go online on Google and search for a sofa, you find similar designs a lot of times. And this is the actual set I'm showing you. And this one isn't three colors, in fact, not a single color, but three colors. Teakwood again, straight back unit, it doesn't have the wing design, and the colors. It has got a light shade here, the darker shade on the sides, and then the antique gold highlighting. If you look from the top, you get a clear idea. The three shades clearly visible in one angle. The darker shade, the lighter shade, and the antique gold paint. And with a straight back, as I mentioned, this doesn't have a wing design. Now this is 2211 as the client wanted, because we are in personalized furniture, so we provide what the client wants. And this is with folding cushion, the removable cushions, as you see here. The fabric, the colors, everything is the client's choice. And this is without the table, because the client don't need the table. And the work is in teak wood, and the final output you can see here. The sizes, the two-seater is out and out 5 feet. Front to back, this is 30 inches. And the back height is 3.5 feet, 42 inches. The chair is 42 inches outer. The back is again 42 inches. And the front to back, this is 30 inches. Now about the designing part, as I mentioned, this is a straight back unit, a little different from what we regularly make, the wing design. But this is one of the most liked designs across India. And you may have come across this design, this set, several times in different pictures, in different videos, and in some showrooms also, because similar units are visible in a lot of places. But the difference, when Arson is making something, how do we make a better set and better quality? The thickness of the wood here. Generally, the sofa sets that you get in the local market are 1 inch or 1.5 inches thick. What they do is they take a panel of 1.5 inches thick, and they do the pressing of these carvings. So it looks much thicker. But what we do is we take a 2 inch thick wood panel. This is all 2 inches thick, the base wood. And then we carve the carvings inside the wood itself. So the carving is on the wood, not pasting over it. And this is an actual teak wood. This is not MDF, or this is not any other low quality wood where the pasting has been done or the molding has been done. This is the actual wood with the actual carvings. And the shading part. In a few videos, I've shown you shading, and that is a gold, bright gold shading. But this is antique kind of shading. And with the three colors that you see, there's a lot of work that is done. So around 3 to 4 times the painting is done to get the final output like this. Very nicely carved, very beautifully worked, as you see the carvings and everything. And with the antique work, everything is clearly visible. All the carving areas are very clearly visible everywhere. The nicer the design is, the work is also very good, and the quality is at par with any country you can compare, with Turkey or Italy or any other country. The quality you can compare anyways, and we get solid wood items for you and deliver across India. We are also exporting to most of the countries outside India. So if you want something outside India and you're looking to import it to your place, you let us know and we will make that and deliver to your place. Also, I'd like to show you the back of the unit. Now here you will get the 360-degree view of the unit. This is how it looks from the back. This is the front part, and there you can see the side angle. So all three angles are covered, and that's the complete look of the unit. So even if your chairs are coming in open, like this one is not going against the wall, it does look very, very nice, very beautiful from the back as well. and the complete work on all the sides gives the look to the unit. If you want anything, any changes in the colors, in the fabrics, or you want darker or lighter, let us know. We'll make that for you and make it according to your requirement and deliver to your place. I request you to let us know how the work is, how our videos are, and if you want any changes or you want us to improve on something, I would be very happy. A few comment of yours. Thank you so much.